Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to improve the Ruixin RX-009 sharpener. In this version, almost everything has been improved. One but annoying design flaw that causes the angle of the knife to change when it is inverted. Although this difference usually does not exceed 2 degrees and does not affect the effectiveness of sharpening, we will show you how it can be reduced. To understand the source of this problem, it is necessary to take the sharpener apart. As you can see, the design is not complicated. The problem is an inaccurate casting of the shaft that rotates inside the body. It is just slightly crooked, and the solution is to gently straighten it. The first step is to measure the angle difference. In the case of this sharpener, it is 1.6 degrees. In order to determine precisely which way the shaft is crooked and by how much it needs to be straightened, we used a custom-built handle with a laser attached. As you can see, when the handle is turned, the laser dot changes its position. We are only interested in the up-down change, as side-to-side movements do not change the sharpening angle. You can see this much better on a piece of paper with a horizontal line drawn. What we need to do is gently bend the shaft upwards so that the laser dot is slightly above the horizontal line. To do this, we will use a bearing stripping device. You could probably do this with a hammer, but the puller is much more precise. As a result, we were able to reduce the difference from 1.6 degrees to just 0.05 degrees, which is practically imperceptible. However, we must stress that it may not be possible to eliminate this problem completely, as the behavior of the angles is also affected by the way the knife is positioned in the handles.